Today we're going to show you how to use California walnuts in menu applications to enhance some of your favorite and most popular menu items. California walnuts are rich in nutrients, offer a mild nutty flavor, and a wonderful crunch. We're going to show you how simple it is to make both a sweet and savory version. We'll start by toasting the walnuts in the oven at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now that the walnuts are perfectly toasted, coarsely chop them and fold 1 cup of walnuts into 1 pound of room temperature butter. We'll use this as the base for the walnut compound butter. Then we'll divide the mixture in half so we can prepare the sweet and savory applications. For a savory version, I'm adding Parmesan cheese, panko, salt and pepper, and a combination of fresh herbs including Italian parsley, thyme, and rosemary. Simply combine all the ingredients. Then place the California walnut herb butter on a plastic wrap. Form the butter into a log shape, roll it nice and tight so later you can cut it into whatever size pieces you need. This is also helpful if there are any allergen cross-contamination concerns. Then simply chill until it's ready to be used. We're using the walnut herb butter to top a beautifully grilled salmon fillet. Take a slice of the butter, place it on top and either broil or put it under a salamander to melt. This will give the salmon a nice crunchy and caramelized texture. And now we have our California walnut herb-crusted salmon. Next, we're going to make a sweet version of the walnut compound butter. Take the softened butter and walnut mixture and add cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, maple syrup, and brown sugar. Stir it all together and grab some plastic wrap. Like before, form it into a log, roll it tight, and place it in the refrigerator or freezer. Now that the California walnut maple cinnamon butter is chilled, it's ready to be sliced and placed on top of these heart-healthy blueberry walnut pancakes. The sliced butter can simply melt over the warm pancakes or be placed under a broiler or salamander to create a sweet walnut butter crust. These are just a couple of examples of how to rethink California walnuts in your food service recipes. For more, visit walnuts.org.